Hey y'all, yes, I'm back with another a day in my quarantine life. So what we have going on today, I'm about to make me a smoothie. I don't know if y'all can see the spinach in the blender back there. Put the spinach in, and I'm about to put the strawberries and bananas in. This is the spinach, and then I might put another, even though it's strawberries and bananas, I might put another banana because they're about to go bad. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay y'all, so I'm about to put the spinach back in the freezer. Yes, I freeze it, that way it'll be nice and cold to go in the smoothie. And I'm about to put these strawberries and bananas in the smoothie. I had a bag that was open. I think I used that. Equal amounts. I don't need the other banana, the fresh banana. I don't need it. Now we get our. Just hope y'all don't tip over our protein. Got this from Target. Just that much. My nightgown. I'm sorry for what I said when I was sleepy. Yeah, because I could say some crazy stuff when I'm tired. Okay, so next I get my green superfood detox. Got this from Amazon. $20, $21.99. They got some for $18.99. They got different kinds. Then we got our almond milk. I'll put that much. And then I want to blend, and I'm going to stop it because I don't know y'all don't want to hear all that blending. So y'all decided to make a bacon and egg sandwich. It's the next day, so bacon and eggs, sunny side of eggs. So bacon is going. I'll show y'all when I'm making the eggs, and then I'll show y'all how it's also. Did I say eggs? This is weird the way I just said it, but yeah, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, the bacon is done. Now here go the eggs. The eggs are going. We love a lot of pepper. Well, I love a lot of pepper. So, bacon and eggs for me and my mom. Bacon and egg sandwiches. So, eggs are almost done. Bacon is done. I'll show you how I plate it, and I'll be back. Y'all, I'm cracking up. So, the eggs is done. How about I go get the plates? I'm about to plate it. I reach for the bread. It's no bread. No damn bread. And I looked up there and it looked like it was bread up there, but it was a bagel, just one bagel. What the hell happened to the bread? It was just there yesterday. I think my mind playing tricks on me. I looked in the refrigerator. I said, well, maybe my mom put it in the freezer since we don't eat a lot of bread like that. And it's getting hot, so it won't go bad. So it's nowhere to be found. So it's no bread. So now I want to whip up some grits. But I will always cook my grits first, so, and the eggs already done. So, I guess we're just having bacon and eggs on the plate. That wasn't the plan. That was not the plan. Yeah. Yeah. I'm thinking. I was thinking about waffles, but waffles with bacon and sunny side of eggs? No. I guess it's just bacon and eggs. I really wanted a bacon and egg sandwich so bad. No bread. Alright, y'all. I guess I'll be back. I don't know. The bacon is so good. So, I decided I'm just going to have an orange and a banana with mine. So I guess my mom probably eat hers like that and some grapes. But it is what it is. Probably wrap that egg around that bacon and eat it like that. But this is the finished product. Not much, but I think I'm going to end it here. Bye. Hey y'all. Okay, so it's the next day. I suck at vlogging. I didn't do much anyway. Don't do much anyway in this quarantine life, but watch my shows, laundry, eat, clean. That's about it if I'm not working. That's basically my routine, and do videos. But I mean, yeah, that's about it. But I wanted to come back on yesterday and show y'all how I clean my makeup brushes. I didn't get to it. I don't know if I'm going to get to it today. Oh, and I ship out packages. Maybe that's something y'all want to see. I get orders and I ship out packages. But my orders come, for some reason, people like to shop between 3 in the morning to 6 in the morning, or 2 in the morning to 6 in the morning, or starting at midnight, like around those times. And I get it, because that's the around time that I shop. It seems like I find the deals at that time when I feel like no one's on there. That's when I start shopping. So that's when I get most of my sales. That's why I stay up late. Sometimes I stay up till like 6 in the morning doing sales and stuff. So yeah, that's like my daily routine. This wasn't much. This video probably gonna be trash. I didn't even review the first parts of the video. I know I was showing y'all the smoothie and all that, but that wasn't nothing. So I don't know if videos like this is for me, like the vlog and the day of my life and all that. I know some people did say they like it. I know I like videos like that, but I don't think that I'm entertaining enough when it's just quarantine life to do that. Like when I'm going on my vacations and all that, of course I don't like, I don't mind vlogging when I'm going on vacation, because it's a lot of stuff for y'all to see, like the Airbnb, the plane, and the beach, the swimming pool, the shops, all that kind of stuff. But just vlogging in the house, it seems like the content is just gonna be trash. I'm gonna post it though, so I don't see how y'all like it. It's gonna be a little something. I think I'm going to end it here. I think I'm about to make another smoothie. That's why I'm about to end it here. If I was going to make some food, I probably would have showed y'all that, but I think I'm going to end it here because I'm about to film a swimsuit lookbook, so that should be entertaining for y'all. So I'm going to film the swimsuit lookbook. Just tell me some content that y'all would like to see. What videos do y'all want to see? Because y'all never really tell me what kind of videos y'all want to see, unless it's like something that y'all suggested, like a hygiene routine, or this versus that, or whatever. So I know I can't think of her name offhand right now, and I always know her name off like on the top of my head. Well, a while back she suggested that I do the best wines to get. I haven't been able to go to the wine. Everything is closed, first of all. And before then, I was traveling. I didn't have time to get like the different wines. And I get it from Jersey. I live in Philadelphia. My cousin usually take me to Jersey to get those different wines and stuff, because they have the best wines in Jersey. I felt like something was on my neck. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get that video out soon as I didn't forget about you. I forgot her name, because she is the same one that asks how do I travel so much. I think that's the same lady, and I did that video, how am I able to travel so much. I think she's the same one that asked about the wine. You know who you are. Leave me a comment, let me know if that's you. I cannot think of her name. But yeah, I think that's it. I don't think I'm doing anything else. I got some new business cards. Let me see if I can show y'all what I was showing y'all, everything. So yeah, this is my new business card. I don't even know if y'all saw the other ones. Let me turn my ring light on. I don't even have my ring light on. Y'all see the difference with the ring light? These are my new business cards. Can y'all see? It looks blurry. I don't know if y'all can see. Let me see if y'all see. My other one, I don't even have any more of my other ones. They were yellow, similar to this, but it was yellow and blue and pink. But I really don't know if y'all can see it. Let me try to do this. See if it's focusing. It's not focusing. I can tell it's not focusing. Nope, it's not focusing, y'all. Let me see if it focuses without the ring light. Nope. Well, y'all get the gist of it. Well, if y'all shop with me, y'all will get one. So yeah, I think this is going to be it. I feel like this video is going to be trash. Trash, trash, trash. I don't know. It probably won't even get posted. I'll see once I'm editing it and see how it is and all that. But if y'all like this video, please like it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that notification bell so you'll know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so someone else can see how boring my quarantine life is. Leave me a comment. Let me know how y'all like this video. Until next time, love you guys. Ciao. Bye, my fashion dolls. Bye.